Hey guys, welcome back to part 2. I just wanted to give you guys a little update on how it's going. I was having a little bit of troubles just because of how the plastic wants to bow out, so I went ahead and clamped it down with these clamps here. And you can see I've tacked it up like I was talking about. I have 5 tacks in, which is going to be good enough for me. So this is what tacks look like. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this one up here 5. Let's see, 5. This is how it looks from the front. Let's just go ahead and take these off. It should hold. All right. You can see the lines right here. It's pretty good enough for me to use this. And at the top there, that edge is good. And if we go down here, or that's all that's actually cracked, so I can see more there. So I'll show you guys how one of these goes in real fast, and then the next one's gonna be bondoing. Let's see. All right, so I'll go ahead and I'll put one in. Let's see. That's a good spot. This is kind of sticking up here, this part, but if we, here's the plastic that I'm using, here's the mesh, and here's just some pliers that maybe I can use to push it down when it's hot, too hot for me to touch. So this feels really secure. It all feels really secure, so the only spot that I can really see is this part that's sticking up. So maybe we can push that down. Just cut some of that off. So how this works is you're going to take the piece of plastic, you're going to melt one side like that into, and then you're going to go ahead and melt the other side. So now you have the plastic on there, a little lump. You're going to take the mesh and you're going to lay it on top. I like to just do it in the center. You're going to wait for the mesh to start to melt into the plastic. And that's where these come in handy. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of hold this down. And that took me about an hour to tack all these up with even those clamps. So it did take some time. Just best to buy a new bumper cover if you're going to be doing it, but this is for an old car you can't really get them for anymore. It's for an old Lexus GS300, and it has a 2JZ engine in it. So just a build working on. So now with this melted in, I don't know if you guys can